Confused about how to start? Check out Snowflake training from the description box below. At number 5, we have edge computing. Edge computing is the practice of capturing, storing, processing, and analyzing data near the client, where the data is generated instead of in a centralized data processing warehouse. IDC forecasts that the global edge computing market will reach $250 billion by 2024. The average salary of a cloud engineer ranges between $104,000 in the US to $147,000 annually. In India, it is 12 LPA and can go as high as 30 LPA. In the US, there are 130,000 jobs vacant for cloud engineers, according to Indeed.com. In India, there are 30,000 plus jobs vacant for cloud engineers. Start your journey today. Next, at number 4, we have Internet of Behaviors. Have you ever been in a situation where you are talking about a certain product with a friend and you immediately get an advertisement regarding the same? If you have experienced that, you're not alone. This type of marketing aims at targeting the right person at the right time with the right product. Internet of Behavior, also known as IOB, refers to the behavioral data analysis gathered from IoT devices around us. Alexa, Google HomePod, and even your smartphones are examples of IoT devices. According to Gartner, about 40% of people will be tracked by IoT devices by 2023. According to Glassdoor, the salary of an IoT engineer in India can range from 5 LPA to 16 LPA. In the US, the average annual salary is between $110,000 to $140,000. Next, at number 3, we have predictive analytics data science. Predictive analytics is a category of data analytics aimed at making predictions about future outcomes based on historical data and analytics techniques such as statistical modeling, machine learning, and business intelligence. According to Forbes, the data science field will grow about 28% through 2026 year on year. According to Gartner, 70% of organizations will make use of predictive analytics by the year 2025. The annual average salary for a data scientist in the US is $110,000. In India, the average salary of a data scientist is 11 lakhs per annum. At number 2, we have DevOps. DevOps is the mindset of molding your IT process and organizational structures to promote business value, software quality, and continuous improvement. To implement DevOps, Netflix created a suite of programs called Simian Army. These programs created problems like shutting down servers randomly, deliberately causing latency problems between services, etc. This helped their team to create fault-tolerant and scalable systems, ultimately helping them achieve the DevOps principles. Using the same principles in DevOps, the machine learning workflow and data engineering workflow can also be automated. This new crossover of machine learning and data engineering with DevOps is called MLOps and DataOps. The average salary of MLOps or DataOps engineer in India is 9 lakhs per annum, and in the United States is $110,000. The highest can even go up to $140,000 per annum. At number 1, we have AI as a service. Have you watched the movie Superman? It's a $300 million budget movie. It used expensive VFX to edit out the mustache of Henry Cavill because he had to keep it for his other movie projects. According to an article from Verge, a college graduate was able to achieve the same effect using AI on a $500 PC. To simplify and make AI available to everyone, AI as a service was introduced. So now everyone can use AI without buying expensive hardware. According to Indeed.com, there are 50,000 plus jobs vacant in the United States. Similarly, in India, there are 15,000 plus jobs. According to Glassdoor, the average salary of an AI engineer is $120,000, and in India, it is 10 LPA. Do check our AI training, which is in collaboration with top universities